Dr. Christie from Willapa Animal Hospital. I'm going to show you how to put a cat in a cat carrier safely for both the cat and you. So this is what I do. I put the cat carrier on a table. I put it up against something so it won't run away from me. And I have the door open. I have a towel in here to soak up anything if Kitty goes potty in the car. This is Samuel. I'm going to take Samuel by his scruff, his back ankles, put him upside down on my forearm, place him in the carrier, let go, and close the door. While he's flipping himself over, I'm closing the door, and there he is.